So you're standing there with your PC open and a graphics card in one hand, and you're holding your phone watching this. No worries, I got you. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to properly install your graphics card, run power to it, and what you have to do right after installing it. Alright, so let's jump right into it. First, let's visually inspect what we are about to do. You want to line up your graphics card with the primary PCI Express lane. By doing this, we are just checking to see which backplates we need to remove from our case and making sure that the graphics card is going to fit within the case. Once you know which backplates need to come off, go ahead and remove them by removing a couple of screws. Make sure to hang on to the screws because we'll need them later. Alright, so we're back to looking at our primary PCI Express lane on the motherboard. See this lever thing on the side that can be pushed up and down? Make sure you push that down to prep our motherboard to install the graphics card. Now grab your graphics card and hold it in a way where the fans are pointing to you and the notches are pointing down, like so. Then just rotate so the fans are pointing down and the notches are now pointed towards your motherboard. Just line up the notches on the graphics card to the ones on the motherboard and give it a firm push. You should hear a similar click if you did it right. Let's go ahead and use the screws we removed earlier and secure this graphics card into place. Make sure to screw this in properly to avoid issues in the future. Now that the graphics card is installed, let's give it some power. Run your PCI Express or VGA cables from the power supply to the front. In this case, I can just route them through like this. You want to identify what power connectors you have on your card and have the appropriate cables from your power supply to connect. Just line up the cables and push them in until they're all the way in. They only go in one way, so if the cable isn't going in, try flipping the connector upside down. That should fix the issue. If you're replacing or upgrading a card, you also want to make sure your power supply is compatible with the new card. Once you've run power, that's it, you're done. You've successfully installed a new graphics card in your computer. But there is one last step. You want to make sure to download and install the latest drivers for your card. Don't forget to do this step as it can have major performance impacts. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please install the drivers for that like button and make sure to supply power to the channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching.